Okay, right. Very good morning to all of you. Last class, what values we simplified? Sine 18 degrees, cos 18 degrees, sine 36 degrees, cos 36 degrees. These values we simplified in last class, right? So after that, I was given some note points also. Sin 18 is equal to cos 72 degrees, cos 18 equal to sin 72 degrees, cos 36 degrees equal to sin 54 degrees, sin 36 degrees equal to cos 54 degrees. Values are equal. So these note points also given. Continuation. Show that page number 19, question number 171. 171. Show that sin theta equal to sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta, 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta, and hence prove that sin 15 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. See this in this problem. So what is given? You have to prove that first condition is what? Sin theta equal to sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. So you take this value and prove sin theta. Then you simplify sin 15 degrees. So already you know that sin 15 degrees value, how to simplify. In previous classes, you know how to simplify sin 15 degrees. So the process is different here. Using given proof, you have to simplify sin 15 degrees value. Using this problem, using this proving value, you take and prove sin 15 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So that is our procedure, right? Now, in this, take sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. You take this value and prove sin theta. Sin 3 theta formula already you know that. What is that? Sin 3 theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, right? Divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. We have 3 different or 4 different formulas are there. Cos 2 theta we have 4 different formulas are there. So what formula we have to take? In numerator, based on numerator, you take cos 2 theta formula. So based on numerator, what value you take? In terms of sin only you have to take. So cos 2 theta formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right? 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right? Now simplification. In numerator what value common? Sin Sin theta you should common. In numerator what value common? Sin theta. So sin theta is common. So what is remaining? 3 minus 4 sin square theta. 3 minus 4 sin square theta divided by so 1 plus so 2 is multiplied 2 into 1 2 minus 2 into 2 4 sin square theta 1 plus 2 minus 4 sin square theta. Now sin theta bracket of 3 minus 4 sin square theta divided by so 1 plus 2 3 minus 4 sin square theta 1 minus 3 minus 4 sin square theta. Now you see numerator value and denominator value. Numerator value nodri, denominator value nodri. Okay na? ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಏನಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನು? sin theta is your answer. Sin theta is your answer. Therefore sin theta is your answer. Now what we have to write? So sin theta equal to sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. So we proved this value. We proved that a proving value. Okay na? You take RHS, you prove LHS. Understand? So sin theta. So these simplifications, these results we are using in KSET and JEE main problems. Okay na? KSET and JEE main problems we are using this type of shortcuts. Okay, right? Note down this. Next small point is there. So sin 15 degrees. Now put theta is equal 15 degrees. In that above condition, you substitute theta is equal to 15 degrees. Then what happens? You see, sin 15 degrees equal to sin 3 into 15 degrees divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 into 15 degrees. 2 into 15 degrees. Now see that simplification. So sin 45 divided by 1 plus 2 cos 30 degrees. Note down fast. Continuation I will do here. Note down fast. Right, okay students, continuation. Sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into sin 30 degrees value root 3 by 2. Do simplification. So 2 get cancelled. So remaining 1 by root 2, 1 plus root 3 is remaining. 1 plus root 3 is remaining. 1 by root 2, this value, root 3 plus 1 is remaining. So now do rationalization. So root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Do rationalization. So 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, right? So root 2 into 1 plus root 3 minus 1 is simplified. So that is 3 minus 1, a square minus b square. That is a square minus b square. That value should be root 3 whole square, 3 minus 1 square, 1. So answer is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So final solution, root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 into root. Note down fast. Note down. That is our solution. Next question. Based on transformations, show that question number 172. Show that cos 7x minus cos 5x plus cos 3x minus cos x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x minus sin 3x plus sin x. It is equal to cot 2x. It is equal to cot 2x. This problem is very important for 5 marks. This problem is very important for 5 marks. So this problem is completely based on inverse transformations. Right? You see that given data, you should modify simple calculations. Cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 3x minus cos x. Numerator value write as it is, denominator value sin 7x minus sin 5x. See, all of you open that transformation 8 formulas. So these two terms minus you should common. These two terms minus common. So minus of sin 3x minus sin x. Sin 3x minus sin. Why we are common that value? Here minus sin 3x plus sin x. One is negative, another one is positive. That's why you should common minus. We have formula for sin x minus sin y. Sin x plus sin y. Like formulas are there. Right? That's why we should common minus. Now apply formula. So first these two apply one formula and these two apply one formula. So cos x minus cos y, what is that? Minus 2 sin 7x plus 5x divided by 2 sin 7x minus 5x divided by 2 plus same formula. So minus 2 sin 3x plus x divided by 2 sin 3x minus x divided by 2. Now apply that formula cos x minus cos y. So minus 2 sin x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by 2. Right? Now divided by. So sin x minus sin y formula. So 2 cos 7x plus 5x divided by 2 sin 7x minus 5x divided by 2. So minus. So same formula again you have to apply. Sin x minus sin y. Minus 2 sin 3x plus x divided by 2 cos, here this is sin 3x minus x divided by 2. Apply that formula. Understand Understand? Now see that continuation. So 2 sine minus 2 sine 7x plus 5x 12x divided by 2 6x into, so sine of 7x minus 5x is 2x divided by 2 means sine x minus 2 into sine 3x plus x 4x divided by 2 means 2x sine 2x into sine 3x minus x divided by 2 means 2x divided by 2 sine x divided by 2 cos. Similarly we simplify, so this is 6x, this is 2x, sorry x minus 2 cos, this is 2x sin x. This is modified, we are getting like that. Once again you have to observe all the points. Whether we are doing correct or wrong, just you have to verify. Next, continuation. So in the numerator any value should common. In the numerator any value will be common. So sin x is there. So minus 2 is there. You should common. Minus 2 sin x bracket. So what is remaining inside the bracket? Sin 6x plus sin 2x divided by. So in a denominator what value common? So 2 is common. So sin x will be common. So what is remaining? 2 sin x common. So remaining inside the bracket cos 6x minus cos 2x. Cos 2x will be common. So note down fast. Can I? Continuation I will do once again. So what value common here? 2 sin x minus 2 sin x common. So what values cancel here? Sin x 2 will be cancelled. So what is remaining in numerator? Minus of that value. So in denominator cos 6x minus cos 2x remaining. Again what formula we have to apply? Same transformation formula we are going to apply. Note down fast. Note down. Right, continuation. Minus sin 6x plus sin 2x divided by cos 6x minus cos 2x. Then you apply same formulas. Minus sin x plus sin y. 2 sin 6x plus 2x divided by 2 cos 6x minus 2x divided by 2 whole divided by. So cos x minus cos y formula. So minus 2 sin 6x plus 2x divided by 2 into sin 6x minus 2x divided by 2. So now simplification. So minus 2 cancel. Sin 6x plus 2x divided by 2, 6x plus 2x divided by 2. Same as it is, you should cancel. So what is remaining? Cos of 6x minus 2x, 4x divided by 2. So 2x. Next, sin 6x minus 2x, 4x divided by 2, 2x. Sin. So what is our answer? Cot 2x. Cos by sin. So what is our answer? Cos 2x is our answer. Okay, right? So what value you are going to prove? Cos 2x. That is our final answer. So this is for 5 marks. Understand? Okay, now next concept is what? Trigonometric equations. That is, according to Corona COVID-19, the syllabus is deleted from your syllabus. That's why I am not explaining that. Okay, na? Still some problems are there. Today only, last class. Today only. Okay, right? Still some problems are there. So note down. So next one, prove that. Completed. Next one, prove that. Prove that 173. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square, it is equal to 4 cos square x plus y divided by 4 cos square x plus y divided by 2. So you can solve in two ways this solution. You can solve in two ways. Right? You take LHS value. So what is our LHS value? Cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. So you can solve this one in two ways. You can apply directly cos x plus cos y formula, sin x minus sin y formula. Otherwise, you have to follow this is A, this is B, A plus B whole square formula, A minus B whole square formula. That is your choice. Okay, na? Already that algebraic process A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square already done in our material. That's why I am doing second procedure. 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by 2 whole square. Cos x plus cos y formula applied. So 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by 2. That whole square right as this. That whole square right as plus sin x minus sin y. So 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by 2 whole square right as it is. Whole square right as it is. Now square is expanded. 2 square 4. Again cos square x plus y divided by 2 cos square x minus y divided by 2. That square is distributed for each and every value. The square is distributed for each and every value. Plus similarly 2 square 4 cos square x plus y divided by 2 sin square x minus y divided by sin square x minus y divided by 2. So these two terms, what value is common, you have to see. So 4 is there, 4 you should common. Again cos square x plus y by 2 cos square x plus y divided by 2 is common. So inside the bracket what is remaining? So cos square x minus y by 2 plus sin square x minus y divided by 2 is remaining. So in the inside this one and this one remaining. So now comparing to this bracket value, first identity relation. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. How much that value? 1. So this bracket value should be 1. Here theta is equal to what? X minus y divided by 2. X minus y divided by 2. So these two values are same. The value should be 1. So for cos square x plus y divided by 2. So into 1. Into 1. So answer is 4 cos square x plus y divided by 2. So that is our final answer. Now done first. Next question 174. Tan x, if tan x equal to minus 4 by 3, comma, pi by 2 less than x less than pi. So find sin x by 2 cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. These values you are going to simplify. These values you are going to simplify. So here given, what is given? Tan x equal to minus 4 by 3, and also x lies in which quadrant? X lies in which quadrant? Pi by 2 less than x less than pi. Second quadrant. Second quadrant. Now what angle is required? X by 2 angle is required. So now you have to take pi by 2 less than x less than pi. So multiplying this inequality with 1 by 2. Multiplying this inequality with 1 by 2, what happens you see? So what happens? This is pi by 4 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. Now pi by 4 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. Pi by 4 means how much? 45 degrees. Pi by 2 is how much? 90 degrees. So 90 degrees pi by 4 andre 45 andre ಏನು first quadrant alwa. So x by 2 lies in first quadrant. X by 2 lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. So all are positive means sin x by 2 is positive, cos x by 2 is positive, tan x by 2 is positive. Right? Sin x by 2 is positive, cos x by 2 is positive, tan x by 2 also positive. Right? Now what value we are going to simplify finally? Sin x by 2 value, cos x by 2 value, tan x. How? Using this value. Using tan x value. Using tan x value. See how? So for tan x equal to minus 4 by 3 is given. So you take one right angle triangle for that. So tan x. So this is x. So tan value you substitute without minus. Without minus you take the values. What happens? So this is 4, this is 3, this is how much? Obviously 5. Now from this right angle triangle you write cos x value. Cos x value is what? 3 by 5. Cos x value only you take, other than that nothing is required. Right? What happens? Cos x value 3 by 5. So now you see x lies in which quadrant? X lies in which quadrant? X lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is what? Negative. In second quadrant cos is negative. Understand? This point is very, very important. Here x lies in second quadrant and x by 2 lies in first quadrant. So right? So you are taking the values from first quadrant, second quadrant. So you are simplifying the values from first quadrant. So now you write sin x value. Sin x by 2. Sin x by 2, you have to write the formula. So 1 minus cos x whole divided by 2 under root. Sin x by 2 formula is going to be. Remember this formula. This is very important. Sin x by 2 formula. This all formulas taken from cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta, you have 3 formulas, total 4 formulas. That is modified. We are getting sin x by 2 equal to root over 1 minus cos x divided by 2. Remember this point. Very important point. So now substitute cos x value. So what is cos x? So root over 1 minus cos x value minus 3 by 5 minus plus 3 by 5 divided by 2 minus plus 1 plus 3 by 5 whole divided by 2. Now simplify. So LCM is 5. So 5 into 1, 5 plus 3 divided by 5 whole divided by 2. Now simplify. How much that value? So 5 plus 3 8 divided by 5 into 2 10. Under root. So simplify. How much that value? 2 4s 2 5s. 4 by 5 under root. Why sin x by 2 value lies in first quadrant? That is, you are taking positive root. Root value always positive only. So you are getting. Otherwise you simplify. Root 4 means 2 divided by 2 by root 5. Simplified. Otherwise you keep as it is. Note down fast. Next, second one, cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 value root over cos x by 2 formula 1 plus cos x divided by 2. 1 plus cos x divided. Sin x by 2 only minus 1. Cos x by 2 only plus 1. Right? So substitute cos x value. So 1 plus minus 3 by 5 divided by 2. Now do simplification. So LCM is 5. So 5 minus 3 divided by 2. Now see the simplification. 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 10. Simplified 1 by root. 1 by root 5. 1 by root 5 and 2 ones 2 5s. Now last one, tan x by 2. So tan x by 2 is what? Already in this problem we simplified sin x by 2 divided by cos x by. You substituted, you simplified, you substitute that value. So sin x by 2 how much? Root 4 root 5 4 by 5 under root divided by this value 1 by root 5. So now verify this one. This is root 4 means 2 divided by root 5 divided by 1 by root 5. So root 5 root 5 cancel. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. So here sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 all values should be positive. Why? X by 2 lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric function values are positive. Positive. Note down fast. Last question. Last question. Last question. Prove that sin square x plus sin square x plus 2 pi by 3 sin square x minus 2 pi by 3, it is equal to 3 by 2. The same question they will ask, are prove that sin square x plus sin square x plus 120 degrees sin square x minus 120 degrees, it is equal to 3 by 2. 2 pi by 3 is nothing but, here 2 pi by 3 is nothing but 120 degrees. Radius converted into degrees. Now take that value, LHS value. Sin square x can be written as according to cos 2 theta formula. 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, right? 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, right? Similarly, remaining two values also you have to change. 1 minus cos 2 of x plus 120 degrees divided by 2. 1 minus cos x plus x minus 120 degrees divided by 2. Okay na? So here first place x is there 2x, second place x plus 120 is there 2 into x plus 120. Next third value 2 of x minus 120. Understand? Now see that simplification. So you should separate this value. So 1 by 2 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Next 1 by 2 minus cos 2 is multiplied. So 2x plus 240 degrees divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos 2x minus 240 degrees divided by 2. Now each value divided with 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 minus cos 2x divided by 2. 1 by 2 minus cos of 2x plus 2 into 120, 240 whole divided by 2. Like that last value also. Now 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. How much that value? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. How much that value? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Minus of. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Other terms minus 1 by 2 should be common. Inside the bracket. Cos 2x cos 2x plus 240 plus cos 2x minus 240. Understand this one? Understand this step? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 is common. Remaining cos 2x plus 240 plus cos 2x minus 240. Is it right? No. Very good. Now 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 of cos 2x plus, now you see transformation 8 formulas. Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. What is our formula? 2 into cos 2x into cos 240. Cos 240. Understand? Bracket. Again, not all fast. Continuation I will do in top. Not all fast. everything is clear? Continuation I will do here. Three by two minus 1/2 of cos 2x plus 2 into cos 2x into cos 240 degrees can be written as cos 270 minus 30 or 180 plus 60. That is your choice. Using allied angles. Okay na? 180 plus 60 or 270 minus 30. You are getting the same solution. Now 3 by 2 minus 1/2 bracket of cos 2x plus 2 into cos 2x into, so what is remaining there? 270 means cos becomes sin, right? So 270 minus means it lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative. Third quadrant cos is negative. So minus sin 30 degrees. Minus sin 30 degrees. Understand? So here you write beside cos 270 degrees minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. Beside you write the allied angles formula. So minus, 3 by 2 minus 1/2 cos 2x plus 2 cos, so plus into minus 2x into sin 30 degrees value 1/2. Sin 30 degrees value 1/2. Understand this one? Understand or not? Minus 2 cos 2x sin 30 degrees value 1/2. Here minus is there, minus into plus minus. 2 cos 2x sin 30 degrees value, you know that 1/2. So 2 get cancelled. Remaining cos 2x minus sin 2x. How much? Cos 2x minus sin 2x. 3 by 2 minus 1/2 of 0. So 0 into 1/2, 0. So answer is 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2. Understand? That is very important question for competitive. That is very important question for competitive also. Okay na? Now today we completed trigonometry. Okay na? Trigonometric functions. Tomorrow I will start new lesson. Okay na? Hope you guys all are understanding this inverse trigonometric functions. It is completely based on formulas only. So more number of times you have to practice only formulas. Based on formulas only, I did many problems. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you everyone.